This plastic?
Yes.
This fake weight? No. This
This too much for you.
go. Hello guys, I'm glad to see you on my channel. Now going to go to the gym to prank people. So guys, subscribe to my channel, but like it, write a comment, enjoy watching. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, let's go Тарасик, let's go. I'm check here how many kilograms. I'm sorry, my name is Tarasik. I'm check here this weight, okay? I'm sorry, I'm check here this bar. 1 second, okay? No problem?
No problem.
Hello, my name is Tarasik. Oh, wow, full. I'm warriors, Tarasik. Check. Okay. This is normally dumbbells, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. I'm check here these dumbbells, no problem.
No.
It's big weight, yeah? Wow. I'm check here this weight. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's amazing. Ooh. You strong, yeah? Big biceps, triceps. Okay. Just a second. This plastic. This fake weight? No. Oh. Oh. Now work lean. Wow. It's okay. Just a second, okay? Super. This. Wow. Okay. No worries. Good day, nice to meet you. I try this bar.
Maybe not.
I'm just stand. This bar. It's really weight?
Yes.
Maybe.
1 minute.
Ah, I'm check. Oh. I'm stand.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud.
Oh, it's really weight, yeah?
Yeah, it's really.
Good day. Back is strange. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. This bar it's okay?
Yes.
It's okay, dumbbell? I'm sorry. I'm check here this dumbbell, this platform. It's heavyweight, yeah?
Heavy.
I'm check. Oh. Just clean.
Oh, I don't think so. This too much for you.
No, bro. I'm just check. Okay. Yes.
What you want to do? What in English?
This. Yeah. This. It's really dumbbell.
Yeah.
No, it's not plastic.
No plastic.
No plastic. It's not plastic. It's really weight. Wow. Okay, it's good. 1 minute. Good platform. Okay.
No,
I will check this
bro,
dumbbell.
This really too much for you.
No worries, no worries. Just I check. Okay. Oh.
Go, 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 go.
Okay. Go. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay, okay. Ooh.
Yeah,
It's not plastic.
biceps too.
Good day. Good day, brother. Nice to meet you.